In the week gone by, as far as venture capital investments are concerned, 10 deals worth $36 million have been struck. And to understand that and get a clearer picture, we do have with us Arun Natarajan of Venture Intelligence, who just joins us here on ET Now Startup Central. Arun, as usual, thank you so much for taking time out to be with us. 10 deals worth $36 million. Take us through the week that was as far as funding is concerned.
Sure. So this week has been a reasonably brisk week in terms of VC investments, especially compared to last week where we had just seen around 5 transactions worth 8 million. This week, in contrast, has seen as many as 10 transactions worth $36 million. Among the more prominent ones is, of course, automobile marketplace Droom, which raised its Series B from investors like BNext as well as Digital Garage. So, and that again was followed by an interesting investment in the life sciences space for a change, where we had Viome Biosciences, which is focused on the skincare segment. They had attracted $2 million as part of an ongoing Series C investment by a new US investor, Romulus Capital. And of course, Mr. Ratan Tata continues to be engaged in the ecosystem very actively. He has now picked up an investment in Mad Rat Games along with the existing investors, which is Bloom Ventures, as well as a lot of high-profile angel investors in that company, including founders of Flipkart, Ola, as well as Freshdesk. So, clearly a very brisk week, this one.
Thanks for that, Arun. But, give us a sense of the overall activity in terms of, how May, the month of May stood out. I mean, give us a comparison, both, compared to the immediate previous month and also the previous year, if that's comparable at all.
Definitely this year, last year, 2015, it's an aberration and we had a rocket ride all the way up until the end of the year. This year, definitely it has not been a vacation season as far as VC investments are concerned in May. In fact, 45 investments has been probably the briskest in terms of this year, at least, for the month, while the value, which is, $300 million is not bad. It's not comparable to January where we had very big ticket investments. So that has not happened. But definitely, something like 45 investments worth $300 million is not a vacation time at all. And we are seeing a little bit of dip in the angel segment, and it's not as high as it used to be. We saw something like 49 investments in February. That has come down to 33. Understandable, because the angels are now watching out what the VCs are doing. But if you look at that mix that we talked about earlier, we are clearly seeing seed investments overtaking Series A investments. So we had as many as 15 seed investments this month and just 10 Series A. So that trend that we saw in March, April continues there. But from overall, I'm quite optimistic in terms of back to school season and back to work season. June and going forward should look much better in fact.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.